Hello mga kasipat! Magandang gabi mga kasipat. Now mga kasipat, I have something right now mga kasipat here. As you can see mga kasipat, the love of my life mga kasipat have a gift for me mga kasipat that she gave me this one mga kasipat. I don't know what's inside of here this mga kasipat. I'm so excited to look at the inside of this mga kasipat. So, by the way, thank you so much love of my life for giving me this such a wonderful gift. But I don't know what's inside mga kasipat. So let's open this. I'm so excited. Ano kaya to? Maybe I think mga kasipat, the things inside here mga kasipat is a gift. I don't know. Basta let's open mga kasipat. Ay. You know what mga kasipat? Giving such gift mga kasipat is very good mga kasipat, no? So I'm so thankful mga kasipat that someone give me gift the love of my life mga kasipat. So thank you so much the love of my life for giving me this wonderful gift, but I do not know what's inside mga kasipat. So we will see mga kasipat what's inside mga kasipat. Oh, handle it with care. So handle it with care. So maybe it will be broken mga kasipat. You said handle it with care. So if there is handle it with care mga kasipat, so therefore inside the box is very dangerous mga kasipat. No, it's very dangerous. It's broken into pieces. Wait lang. I'm so excited mga kasipat. What's inside this box mga kasipat? I'm so excited. Wait, makasipat. It's almost there, makasipat. It's almost there. What's this? What's this? Almost there. Wow. What's this? What's this? What's this? Oh. You will be the first one makasipat to see and watch my gift mga kasipat. The parcel mga kasipat, or what's inside the box mga kasipat. What's that? I cannot see what's inside mga kasipat. What's this? Whoa.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest, you can beat the world, you can beat the
Wow,
world,
my love, thank you so much for having me. This is
you can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock,
this is all I want. This is
some break rocks, you can be the master,
a gold. This is treasure, mga kasipat.
dedicate yourself and you can always get it.
I cannot fathom my happiness right now, mga kasipat. Oh, see? Wow, it's tickle mo. Mga kasipat. Flexi, mga kasipat. It's really very good, mga kasipat. Let's open mga kasipat. Oh, what Flexi looks like mga kasipat. It is my first time mga kasipat to have this such nice. Wow! 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 Wow mga kasipat! Wow, this is the best! This is the great mga kasipat mo! I cannot fathom myself. There's a lightning pa mga kasipat. Lightning. So therefore mga kasipat, if it's lightning mga kasipat, if you have this lightning mga kasipat, it is very strong when you spin the ball mga kasipat. It's big lightning. It's very fast mga kasipat. Wow. Thank you so much mga kasipat. Undersea rubber mga kasipat in order to clean your paddle. There goes a green mga kasipat. I don't know what's this mga kasipat. Basta thank you so much mga kasipat. I have a lightning paddle mga kasipat. When you spin this mga kasipat, it looks like the ball with lightning kasi it's very fast mga kasipat. And you will always win that game mga kasipat. Thank you so much for my sponsor. The best. And Flexi mga kasipat, the best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the sponsor. Thank you so much. And Flexi. Oh, thank you. Mga kasipat, I love you. Sponsor. Bye-bye. Thank you.